Hello, good morning students. Yesterday I have discussed EMF of a cell, which I tell you the maximum potential difference between two terminals of the cell when there is no current is drawn from it. And internal resistance, the resistance offered by the electrolyte of the cell between its electrode, resistance offered electrolyte of the cell to flow of current between its electrode. Now I will discuss combination of cell in parallel. When positive terminal of all the cells are connected to one endpoint and negative terminal of all the cells are connected to another endpoints, then cells are said to be connected in parallel. When positive terminal of all the cells are connected to one point and negative terminal of all the cells are connected to another endpoint, then cells are said to be connected in parallel. Consider two cells whose EMF is E1 and E2 and internal resistance R1 and R2. Suppose current I1 and I2 are flowing toward the junction B1 and current I flows out, then total current I is equal to I1 plus I2. Total current I is equal to I1 plus I2. Now, as two cells are connected in parallel between same 2 points, so their potential difference across both the cells are same. Now potential difference between terminal of the E1, potential difference between terminal of E1, V is equal to VB1 minus VB2, that is E1 minus I1 R1. We can write I1 R1 is equal to E1 minus V. Here I1 is equal to E1 minus V upon R1. This is my first equation. Now potential difference between the terminal of E2. Potential difference between terminal of E2, then V is equal to VB1 minus VB2, which can be written as E2 minus I2 R2. Thus I2 R2 is equal to E2 minus V, or I2 is equal to E2 minus V upon R2. This is my second equation. Now since I is equal to I1 plus I2, now we will substitute the value of I1 and I2, that is E1 minus V upon R2 is equal to I. This can be written as E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Now we can write this equation V1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 is equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus I. We take LCM R1 R2, then R2 plus R1. Here we take LCM R1 R2. This become E1 R2 plus E2 R1 minus I. Here we again take LCM R1 R2, then it become E1 R2 plus E2 R1 minus I R1 R2. Here V R2 plus R1 upon R1 R2. Now V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 minus I R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. Sorry. R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. This can also be written as V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 minus I R1 R2 upon R1 R2 into R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. We will cancel R1 R2. Now V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 This can also be written as V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 minus I R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Thus V is equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent, where E equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 and R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Suppose this is my equation. Next equation, third. Now we will find the value of E equivalent upon R equivalent. E equivalent upon R equivalent, that is E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 into upon R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. We will cancel this. Thus E equivalent upon R equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2. We can also write E equivalent upon R equivalent is equal to E1 R2 upon R1 R2 plus E2 R2 upon R1 R2. Now cancel R2 R2. E2 R1 here, sorry, here E1 and cancel R1 R1. Then E equivalent upon R equivalent is equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2. Now from equation third, R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. This is my third equation. R equivalent 1 upon R equivalent, 1 upon R equivalent, then This can also be written as 1 upon R equivalent is equal to R1 upon R1 R2 plus R2 upon R1 R2. This can also be written as 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R1. If n cells are connected for parallel combination, if n cells are connected, we can write this 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 dash 1 upon Rn. Thank you. Hello students, now I will solve numerical problem. First problem is how many electrons pass through a lamp? How many electrons pass through a lamp in 1 minute if current is 300 milliampere? Do you know the formula of electric current? Yes, I is equal to Q upon T. I is equal to Q upon T. Then we know that Q is equal to NE upon T. Here N is equal to IT upon E. Now given that how many electrons, we have to find value of N. How many electrons pass through a lamp in 1 minute? Time is equal to 1 minute, and you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If current of 300 milliampere, current is given I is equal to 300 milliampere. We know that 1 milliampere is equal to 10 power minus 3 ampere. Then it will become 300 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. Now we will put the value of I 300 into 10 power minus 3 and time is 60 seconds, and E charge on electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. When we solve this, we get 1.125 into 10 power 2. Thus, next question is now second problem is find the resistivity of a conductor in which a current density of 2.5 milliampere per meter is found to exist when an electric field of 15 volt per meter is applied on it. You have to find resistivity rho, and in which a current density, do you know what is current density? Current per unit cross sectional area is known as current density. It is denoted by J, and J is equal to I upon A. J is equal to 2.5 ampere per meter square is found to exist when an electric field, here given electric field E is equal to 15 volt per meter. Now we know that formula of resistivity rho is equal to R into A upon L. Here R is equal to V upon I. R is equal to V upon I into A upon L. We can also write it V upon L upon I upon A, and V upon L, this is equal to E, and I upon A is equal to J. Thus rho is equal to E upon J. Now we will put the value E 15 upon 2.5. When we solve this, we get 6 ohm meter. Unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Students, now we will solve next numerical. The storage battery of car has an EMF of 10 volt. Here potential difference V is equal to 10 volt. Then the internal resistance of the battery is 0.4 ohm. Small r is equal to 0.4 ohm. What is the maximum current that can be drawn from the battery? Then for maximum current that can be drawn from the battery, for maximum current that can be drawn from battery, for this capital R, that is external resistance, must be 0. Since we know that electric current, relation between electric current and internal resistance I is equal to E upon capital R plus small r, where capital R is the external resistance, small r is the internal resistance, I is the current, and E is the EMF. I is equal to E upon capital R plus small r. Here EMF or potential difference, that is 12 volt, 12 upon external resistance R 0 plus internal resistance 0.4 ohm. That is 12 upon 0.4. This is equal to 30 ampere. Now next numerical is a battery of EMF 10 volt. A battery of EMF 10 volt and EMF E is equal to 10 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm. Small r is equal to 3 ohm is connected to resistor. If the current in the circuit I is equal to 0.5 ampere, what is the resistance of the resistor? Since we know that I is equal to E upon capital R plus small r, from this R plus small r is equal to E upon I. This implies capital R is equal to E upon I minus small r. Now we will put the value. here EMF is equal to 10 volt, 10 upon current I 0.5 ampere minus internal resistance small r, its value is 3. Then it become 100 upon 5 minus 3, that is 20 minus 3 is equal to, then R is equal to R is equal to 17 ohm. Now by Ohm's law we know that formula potential difference V is equal to IR, where V is the potential difference, I is the current and R is the resistance. V is equal to IR, I 0.5 ampere, resistance 17, thus V is equal to 8.5 volt. Thank you.